so kind of like the first question that you guys had, if I'm going to have to graph this and show 2 full cycles, 2 full periods, I probably care about how much space I need to show here. I don't want to just say 2 pi negative 2 pi and then realize that it doesn't fit. So even though it doesn't specifically say state all of this stuff, you need to realize that somewhere in your head, you're asking yourself, what is the amplitude? What is the period? What is the vertical shift? What is the phase shift? Okay. So even though you don't have to write those things down, you need to at least consider them. So my period here is 3. So here's, I guess this is kind of my trick to this type of question. For a second, pretend like this says 2 pi and this says negative 2 pi. Okay. And come back and do the other transformations later. But the cosine graph looks like that, right? But to fix the period, if the period is supposed to be 3, well, this isn't 3 pi, by the way. Radians don't have to be in terms of pi. So if this is 2 pi, this is 1 pi, and pi is about 3.14, so 3 is a little bit less than that. So I can say, well, here's 3, and I can try to squish this pattern into that amount of space, and that's fine. That's what I did on the last question, and it works. Or this is almost kind of a cheat that you can use. You can just say, I'm not going to say this is 2 pi, I'm going to say that's 3. And this is negative 3. I can adjust my x length to match the period that I want. Now it's showing a full period, a full cycle, in 3 radians instead of 2 pi radians. And all I did was erase 2 pi and put a 3. Now that's not the full graph. All that does is check off this. But I don't want to shift it left to right. I do want to change the amplitude to 5. So I should have thought this through. Okay, so this is an amplitude of 1. Pull it up to 5. Pull it down to negative 5. Okay, so that checks. That comes off, and again, these multiple step problems, I either just use a new graph each time or erase. But you can see that my period's still 3. There's no phase shift. The amplitude now matches 5. If you trust me that that's 5 and that's negative 5. Even though I did have to kind of squeeze that in a little bit. So then the last thing I need is to shift the graph up to. So this point up to, and this point up to, and this point up to. Take as many points as you want up to. Resketch. And this is kind of a bad sketch, but I think this should be all good. So now this represents my y. This is not part of my answer, so I'm going to erase it. If there's any confusion about that. Okay, so the graph comes over looking like that. You okay with the process behind that one? For those of you that didn't get that far in the homework, you okay with how I approached it? How I just changed the unit here to make the period fit nicely? Just a different question.